Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you, for those of you that order my centerpieces with a personalized box, this is how it's going to be shipped. It's going to be shipped flat. You're going to get a box that's wrapped around with a pattern, and personalization will be either a name, a number, happy birthday, whatever. So in this case, it's for a baby shower, so we decided to do the baby's name. Okay. So you're gonna do this. So it has a little base. So this one goes in first. Then you're gonna put the other one. Then you're gonna push this one down. This down, okay? And then you're gonna put it flat like this. So now, if it's gonna be an indoor event, it should be fine. You don't need to add anything. If it's gonna be an outdoor, I do suggest putting like some pebbles or some sort of weight to hold it down, especially if it's a windy day. These do weigh some, so it should be fine. I usually will send out a stack of tissue paper. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So this is the centerpiece piece. So I'm gonna just stick it in. So it stands. So it stands like this, okay? And then you need to do 2 sheets. So each centerpiece will have a total of 8 tissue papers. We're gonna do it like this, okay? We're just gonna stuff it in like that. Turn it a little and then hold it like this. And then insert. So you're gonna repeat the same stuff 2 more times. You don't have to close that off. You're only doing it like this, okay? So this fills up the box and it looks good. There's really nothing else to it. I'm gonna add pictures right now to show you how it looks. So remember, 8 sheets per centerpiece, 2 sheets per side, and it will look filled and is ready to be displayed and ready to go. So some assembly will be required for centerpieces, but they look really nice once they're all together set up. Alrighty, have a good one. That was a short video to just show how to put it all together. Bye bye.